everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with this blue purplish look. I just tried to recreate this color, the color I'm wearing on my sweater. So I just wanted to do something different for you guys, and this is the result I have came out with. And yeah, I hope you guys will like it, and if you guys want to see how I created this look, please keep on watching, and don't forget to like this video, share it to your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. So I already prepped my face using my favorite moisturizer and sunscreen by La Roche-Posay. Now I'm adding the Froth Ray face milk, that's the rose one by Colourpop, and just letting it sit onto my face. Then I am color correcting my face wherever I have high pigmentation. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills cream contour palette, the pink shade from there. Then I'm setting the places I have color corrected with my favorite Colourpop no filter setting powder. I already did my brows off camera, and I'm starting on my eyes. I'm using a very light brown color from Colourpop Hello Shadow Palette. I'm using that as my transition color. So I have added the colors for your reference on the top left corner of the video. You guys can use those as a reference. Then I'm using a dark brown shade to my outer corner and blending it into my inner corner, so it gives like a very hollow look. I'm not doing a cut crease, I'm just cleaning my eyelid with some concealer so that I can work on a clean base, since I will be using like a blue color, and I think I need a clean base for that. So this blue color was not pigmented enough. I used it from the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette, and also the purple, as you guys can see, the color was not that much pigmented. So I will be adding more colors to it later on. Yeah, I also used the Midnight Chaos by NYX. I think the colors from that palette was way more pigmented than the Ultimate palette. Yeah, I was hoping a little more pigment on the Ultimate palette. Anyways, I kind of worked it out. So I'm adding some dark brown to the outer corner and kind of like blending it in with the purple. I'm using the same purple shade from the Midnight Chaos, and just smoking out, or smudging, you can say, on my lower lash line. Then I added some blue to it, and yeah, it's the same colors I've used for my top. I'm using my favorite Colourpop No Filter Foundation. The shade will be given in the description box below. I believe it's the Chai, I'm not sure, but yeah, I will definitely add that in the description box below. Yep, then I'm going to conceal my face with my favorite L'Oreal Paris Infallible concealer. Just just the high points of my face where I want to like bring some light onto. I always like the aftermath of putting some concealer. I kind of like it. I think it's a very nice concealer, the one I'm using right now. Just makes it smooth and nice. Then I'm setting my face with my favorite Colourpop no filter setting powder. I don't like to bake, as you guys may know from my previous videos. I just set it. I'm going with a very light contour, just giving some dimensions to my face. Not doing cream contour, just doing the powder contour. I'm using the NYX contour palette, my go-to contour palette. I'm just going over again with the same brush and trying to see if everything is nice and into the, like on the places, and also trying to get my outer corners, like, you know, just trying to smoke it out, making sure everything is nice and subtle. I applied my lashes. It's the Ardell Wispies, I believe. Yeah, and also I'm adding some mascara. I think that's the Loreal mascara. Definitely I will give the product descriptions, product details in the description box below. Don't forget to check that out. And that's it. That was the final look, and I hope you guys have enjoyed it. I was expecting a little more pigment to those colors, but unfortunately it was not pigmented enough. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video, share it to your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. You guys have a nice day. I will see you on next Friday. Bye bye.